So this morning we are going to open a package that came from Auntie Gizelle. See? Ooh, I like the washi tape. Ooh, I really like the washi tape. Thank you. Wait a minute. Thank you for your support, Gizelle AB. And we have stuff here. Whoa. The title is A Tale of Two Snails. Written and illustrated by Gizelle Batomalaque. Translated to Filipino by Ian Kenrich Fontanilla. Are you ready to read? Read with me? Okay. Oh, look at this. You have two character designs for hamsters and a turtle. Oh, so cute. Who is this? It's your hamsters. It's Poochie and Chi-Chi. Okay, let's start reading. I'll just read this to you, okay? To our nephews and nieces. You're the nephew, CJ. Auntie Gizelle made this for you. See, there are many Pommy friends here. And then Connie is asking, why? Why are they all here now? Why are they invading our place? Say bye.
Bye.